Welcome to Tool Time at Kitchen Conservatory. And one of the most common questions we get is, what is a caper? Capers come in a jar and they're in this briny, salty solution, and people are a little unfamiliar with them. But capers are the unripe berry of a plant, and they're usually pickled and brined, and so they add such a lot of flavor to food. Now these capers are called nonpareil, and nonpareil means without parallel because they are tiny and they're the same size as the nonpareil candies that you put on cookies and decorate things. So that's why the small ones are called nonpareils. The bigger ones are called capotes. But all capers are good. The size really doesn't affect the flavor on it. But I'm going to show you one of my favorite things to do with capers. A lot of people will just use it like this. The capers in the brine, taking it out of the liquid and using it to put on salmon or other fishes or all kinds of other things that they taste good on. But I think capers are best deep fried. And so I have a pot of vegetable oil here, which I've heated to 350 degrees. I put my capers in. Woo! And that's because there's so much water in the capers, is why they bubble up like that. But when all the water dissipates, which as you see right now, the capers will start to get brown and crunchy. And I think that fried capers are a perfect garnish, perfect on salad, on fish, or just when you want to add a touch of a salty, crunchy, deeply flavorful garnish to your food. And look, the capers are already done. I take them out with a slotted spoon. I dry them on the paper towels. No need to add any extra salt. The capers are just the perfect garnish to a host of dishes. We make cooking fun at Kitchen Conservatory.